So guys, if you want to download DaVinci Resolve on your PC, this video is just for you. DaVinci Resolve is a powerful and free software. And the best part? It's completely free. But before downloading it, there's one important thing. You must check whether your PC or laptop can run DaVinci Resolve smoothly or not. So first, let's look at the minimum PC requirements for DaVinci Resolve. To run DaVinci Resolve smoothly on your PC, you need at least an Intel i5 processor. For RAM, 8 GB is the minimum, but it will run a bit slow. That's why today, 16 GB RAM is recommended for a better experience. For graphics, you need at least an NVIDIA 1500 Ti, 4 GB, or an AMD RX 5700 XT. If your PC has something equal or better than this, you will be able to download, install, and use DaVinci Resolve very easily. So let's see how to download and install it. Step 1. First, open any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and type DaVinci Resolve. You will see the first official website. Simply open it. As soon as it opens, you will see an interface like this. Step 2. Choose Free Download option. To download DaVinci Resolve, scroll down. You will see DaVinci Resolve 19, Free Download Now. DaVinci Resolve Studio, buy online for $295. From these two options, click on the Free Download Now button. Step 3. Select your operating system. Now, you will see two options again. DaVinci Resolve 20, DaVinci Resolve Studio 20. Select DaVinci Resolve 20, the free version. Then choose your operating system. For example, I am selecting Windows. A form will appear. Fill in your details. After filling the form, click on Register and Download. You will see a thanks message, and the download will automatically start. If you go to your downloads, you can see DaVinci Resolve downloading. When I recorded this video, the latest version was DaVinci Resolve 20.2.3. If you're watching this in the future, just download whatever version is available. The process is the same. Let the file download completely. Step 4. Install DaVinci Resolve. Once the download is complete, open the folder where the file was saved. You will see a zip file of around 2.80 GB. Extract this zip file. After extracting, you will find the DaVinci Resolve.exe file. Double-click on it. It will start extracting. Wait for a few moments. Another window will appear showing the components that need to be installed. Simply click Install. Next, the setup window will open. Click Next. Accept the license agreement, click Next, and choose the installation location, or leave it as default. Then click Install. Now wait until the installation is completed. When it's done, click Finish. DaVinci Resolve will now start opening on your PC. This is how easily you can download, install, and use DaVinci Resolve on your PC or laptop. That's it for today. See you in the next video.